This is our trip vacation to Cancun, Mexico during the month of December 2025. We flew on United Airlines into Cancun, Quintana Roo, Mexico. We stayed at the Grand Oasis Hotel and Resort, all inclusive. We saw the shows on a daily basis. Every night at 8 o'clock, they had a different act in the area called Zocalo. It was beautiful. They had dancers from Cuba, from Mexico, and they were part of this wonderful team that used to do performances every night. We danced after every performance. The DJ played music for all, and we all danced the night away. So between 8 p.m. and 11 p.m., that was the time to be out there. After 11, everything shuts down. The bars shut down, and they send everybody into the rooms. There's only one place open, and it is the nightclub. The nightclub is open until 1 in the morning. We also walked from our hotel into the vicinity to go shopping at 7-Eleven. Also, we enjoyed the beach, turquoise, crystal clear water. We ate at some of the best restaurants inside the resort, and it was all inclusive. But then when we say all inclusive, there's a lot to desire, because a lot of the drinks were just the basic generic drinks. There was nothing premium on the drinks, so we went out and bought our own drinks. This is the lagoon, Nipchupte, the lagoon that is between the sandbar where the Maya Riviera is and the beach. And this is the jungle boat that we rode with all-inclusive drinks. It was nice. It was nice to see the mangrove in between the ocean and the lagoon. And this is me right here enjoying the music, having fun, and drinking some juices. My wife is having a great time also, drinking some of the cocktails and enjoying the sun and the fun. It was nice. And we went to some of the shows. We saw the Redemption show. We saw performances inside the atrium, which is part of the pyramid, the main lobby of the hotel. And this is us waiting to be seated at the Il Forno Italian restaurant. And we had a great time. Great food as well. A variety of vegetables and fruits and grains, and then your regular beef, chicken, pork, and of course the pasta. We had a great time. So if we could do this, we'll do it again, but we will have to go to a different hotel, one that offers better service, better quality drinks, because Grand Oasis failed. They failed to deliver good drinks. They gave us the generic and a lot of the bad liquor there, which is basically free, but who wants to drink that? The only beer available was Dos Equis, and it was tap beer. This is a crocodile that was living right outside the hotel. Look at the beaches, man. Beautiful, beautiful turquoise waters, white sand beach. And during this time of the season in December, it was not that hot. It was nice and cold at night, and it was a little hot during the daytime. So we got a good suntan. This is my wife here having the time of her life. This is us on board of the catamaran going from Playa Tortuga to Isla Mujeres to get to see that other side of Quintana Roo. It was well attended. There was a lot of people on the catamaran. This is us already in Isla Mujeres, walking around, taking pictures, enjoying the scenery. This is part of the marina of the actual naval base, the Mexican naval base. And this is my wife sporting some of those beautiful earrings that our daughter gave her. This is right at the sign where it says Isla Mujeres. Beautiful, beautiful place. And this is us heading back to Cancun from Isla Mujeres. On the way back, it was a party boat. There was a lot of free drinks and a lot of dancing and singing. So it was fun. Look at the beautiful sky. It was bringing rain, but the rain only came for 10-15 minutes and it went away. These are some of the pictures that a professional photographer took on board of the catamaran. We paid about $100 for a set of maybe 4 or 5 pictures. Everything is very expensive in Cancun, including the drinks. If you wanted a glass of wine, and this is South American wine from Chile or Argentina, it was $45 per glass. Can you believe that? In spite of it all, we had a great time. This is my wife dancing with a family from India who lives in Canada. They live in, I think, Toronto or Montreal, one of those two. But they were having a blast. Their daughter is a teenage daughter, around the age of 16, 17. And she was right there in the towel, wrapped up in the towel, just having a great time with her parents and taking video and pictures of them having a good time. And this is my wife right here in one of the many pools around the Grand Oasis Hotel and Resort. They have pools all over the place. And when it started raining and there was lightning, they got everybody out of the pool because they said that there is a danger of getting electrocuted. So we got out of the pool. And this is us right here enjoying a night out. I mean, one of the daily concerts and performances that they do at 8 o'clock in the Zocalo area. Right here in the pool, having a good time. We spent 9 days in Cancun and 8 nights. And it was well planned. I think that's the time we needed to really relax and reset and come back to work again, fully charged. But look at this. Look at these beautiful waters in the Caribbean of Mexico. This is the world famous Maya Riviera. And this is my wife having a good time. So we highly recommend making a trip to Cancun, Mexico, where you will see all kinds of people. There was a lot of African American families, families from Asia, especially India, a few Koreans, a few Chinese, from the Caribbean, especially from Africa, you know, not the Caribbean, but Africa. We saw people from Cameroon, from Nigeria, from Sierra Leone, and so it was amazing.